so that we can have a latest update po dito po sa ating ginagawang Cavite Laguna Expressway, which I guess some of you are familiar with already at iba po excited. So, but before that, first we'll introduce po muna yung ating mga media partners that are present here today, and then we also at MPP South will introduce ourselves just so we can be familiar and with each other.
Hello po, good morning. I'm Third Alam, Corporate Communication Supervisor of MPP South. It's nice to see all of you today, and thank you po sa time na binigay ninyo para makita po natin yung progress ng ating Galax. So, here with us today is Sir Bochi Santos from Visor, and then si Sir Fishkan and his wife from Napachero Cavite naman po. Si Sir Brando Rosales from Motopinas.com, and then si Sir James Tagle po from AutoHaven PH, Sir Joey Pestaño from Progreso Pilipinas, and Sir Roslen Rosario from What's Up Pilipinas. And yan po, sila po yung part ng project sa Galax, si Sir Lou, si Sir Jonathan, Sir Bart, Sir Amin, and then si Ma'am Debbie, kasi Sir and then si Sir Bukot Soweto.
Morning.
And for our team po, the media na po si Third, again, I'm Joan Miranda po from the Integrated Communications Department. So with us today is our Vice President for Communication and Stakeholder Management, si Ms. Arlette. Some of you may be familiar. And again, si EG po, also part of our corporate team, and we'll meet the rest of the team naman po later. So without further ado, to kick off this ocular, we'll have a few messages po from Ms. Arlette.
Now, actually, I'd just like to welcome everybody, of course. Clap for us. Number one, we are so far now blessed with sunny weather.
Yes.
So, thank God. Kanina, alas 5 nung nagising ako, sabi ko, oh my gosh, paano kami mag-online na, diba? Of course, at this point, I'd just like to say welcome to everybody, and of course, we are very thankful that you're going to help us again tell the story of Galax out there, no? Sa inyong mga followers, at saka sa inyong mga readers, and we're always grateful for the support and the friendship that we have already established, and of course, our aming mga magigiting at magaganda engineers will be with you today, so that we can have a visual of what the video is going to show you, diba? So you will experience Galax. Alright? Thank you very much. And actually, kung papaumanin din ako na hindi ako makakasama sa buong ocular, supposedly makakasama ko, yun yung schedule. However, we have an emergency meeting with one of our stakeholders in General. Yes. So, of course, yun muna. So, yun natin para mag-dire-diretso ang Galax. Di ba? Isimulan natin yun. And, of course, you're in very, very good hands. Very professional. They know their staff. Our engineers are there to be with you. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Before we start with the legal project presentation, we'll just show you a quick video of how Galax envisioned to be designed.
previous experience.
Ay, yes, sir. Yes, ito ibabalikan natin.
Yes, yes, correct. So there, gently, when you later.
So guys, ito yung inaugurate natin kay President. Itong Kawit area na magiging CC Lake. So it will link Lots and Cavitex. So ongoing din ito sa akin.
So, that is the vision. And now, ano po yung nangyayari on the ground? So, for you to know kung ano yung mga updates on our construction, I'll give the floor to Sir Bart. Ayan, si Sir Bart po ang ating construction manager.
The construction manager, for this project. Just to give you a construction update for the
Ayun,
acre. So before that, just an overview for the Calax project. Calax is has a total of 44.57 kilometers of road expressway, 4 lanes starting from Centennial Road in Kawit, ending in Greenfield property in Bidan, Laguna, connecting the South Luzon Expressway. Also, this connects the Cadillacs and South Luzon Expressway. And then Grantor is DPWH. The concessionaire is Intica Holdings Incorporated. Then it has a 35 years concession period, including design and construction. And then we have an independent consultant who review, checks, and certify the detailed engineering drawings. And we engage BCCB Engineering as a design consultant. We have 2 civil works contractors, different contractors, Visa Limited, and they are doing for the bridges and 12 plaza buildings. Also, we have other contractors, which is company incorporated. They are the ones who do work for the roadworks, excavation, embankment, and pavement works, so protection and other miscellaneous structures. Actually, it commenced or started way back July 10, 2017, started. And then, of course, our target completion is third quarter of 2025. Here, as you can see in the alignment, this is Centennial Road in Kawit, and this is the South Luzon Expressway in Mangkasa. So, a total of 44.57. And this blinking line is the subsection 1213, which is ongoing construction. This portion here comes Silang Aguinaldo to Mangkasa, already operational. So that's a total around 20 kilometers. And this subsection 123 has a total length of 26.3. Yeah, that is the remaining works. So this is subsection 1 from Kawit Centennial Road to Open Canal. And then subsection 2 is Open Canal to Governor's Drive. And then Governor's Drive to Silang, that is subsection 3. So this is 8 kilometers, this is 10.5 and 7.8 kilometers. So first, we target the completion for subsection 3 by first quarter of 2025. That's our target. Of course, Calax traverse, and here in the remaining subsection 1, 2, and 3, we traverse the municipality of Kawit, City of Limos, and General Trias, Dasmariñas, and Silang. And here in populational side is, of course, is Silang municipality and Santa Rosa and Binyan.
Sir, quick question. Where are we right now in relation to the map?
In the map, we are the Imus side,
Subsection 1 na, sir.
Okay.
subsection 1.
Thank you.
So, that's it. We have 8 interchanges in the project. The remaining interchange is Nagawit, Piglanad, and the Governor's Land interchange. So this 5 interchange is already done. And next is the right of the opposition. The overall is 90%. And for subsection 3, 90%. For subsection 2, 75%. And subsection 70%. For the construction status, we have the removal of 64%. For subsection 3, we have 27%. And subsection 2 is 16%. And subsection 1 is 26%. So, after the completion is third quarter of 2025.
Sir, quick question din, sir. Yung mga subsection, I mean in layman's term, kunyari subsection 2, that's between what? Lasma and Imus, may mga ganun.
Sa next slide, sir.
Next slide, okay, thank you.
Yung mga susunod
Yes.
na
Punta tayo.
pabalik.
Forward.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you.
this is subsection 3, starting from Governor's Land to Aguinaldo Interchange. We have,
if you're already, if you're familiar with Carax already, you've been there, diba? So, you're familiar with the last portion, which is Silang. So, di ba para may bitin, because there's a road na Silang papuntang Tagaytay. So, magka-cross pa kami nun. Yung pag-cross natin ganyan, yung iba mayroon lola,
Aguinaldo.
yeah, we will cross Aguinaldo. We'll cross Aguinaldo, go to Dasmariñas, and then go until Governor's Drive interchange.
Ito na po yung ano, may tunnel.
This is Governor's Drive. We are depressed under the existing local road. And then this is part of General Trias. Then we have the Dasmariñas, Silang. This is Silang area. This is Aguinaldo. We have depressed also under the local road. So this is ongoing construction.
Kung babalikan nyo i-imagine, from the rotonda of Silang, pag nabuo ni Bart, papunta ka na agad ng Jet 3. So, walang exit ang Dasmariñas. Dinaanan na natin siya. Wala tayong exit sa Dasmariñas. Doon tayo sa Governor's Drive interchange.
Yeah.
Okay, clear na dun sa
So,
This parang rotonda ulit na.
this photo shows
Yes.
the Toll Plaza in Governor's Land. They already constructed the building.
It's a win.
Also,
It's a win.
the works near Governor's Land. And this is also the fabrication of progress at Casulian Bridge. And also this is the installation.
Kaso yan, yung dinaitan natin.
Yes, sir. Yun yung sinilip ko.
Binumpal ko eh. Sa Dasma kasi, sabay-sabay binumpal lahat ng kalsada nila. Putang grabe traffic.
Yeah.
Subsection 2, which is
Parang sumabay pa
walking
tayo sa
around
akin.
to Governor's Land. That is around 10.5 kilometers.
Okay lang yun. Hindi niya talabas ng pondo eh. Kaya sabay-sabay binumpal yung traffic.
We have around
Oo nga kasi budget
10 bridges there. So, our the progress photos is at Open Canal. This is the waterway bridge in Maralas. This is Mayor's Drive in Maralas, waterway bridge. And also this State Drive, this expressway bridge. We have substantially completed already, and Open Canal area, we have waterway bridge in Maragasán. And also the roadworks construction, embankment works that
So you're gonna see that in live later. Mas updated pa yung picture.
Okay. So, in subsection 1, this is 8 kilometer. We have around 9 bridges actually this one. So, in the progress photo, it shows the Kawit Interchange Toll Plaza. Now they are erecting the columns and rafters for the canopy building. And also the lighting, we have already mas lighting. And also for IB2, the open canal interchange bridge. Actually, this will be for girder launching next month. And this embankment works in UP1 to IB2 in near open canal.
Orient po nga kami, Bartels IB. Interchange.
We have different types of
What's
bridges. EP, it means expressway bridge.
So along, ano siya, along grade and grade. Tama?
No, bridge that crossing
A river.
no along the land middle. This is
Over
over a local road.
Over and over.
Along the main
Expressway
line.
bridge.
But OB means overpass bridge. This is along the local road. Crosses the Binalan and Kalam. This overpass bridge. So interchange bridge. Once there is interchange, there is IB or interchange bridge. Underpass bridge UP is underpass.
Si Christian po ito.
Parang sa silang ginagawa.
No, that is interchange bridge. Underpass means there is a local road under and we have
PR.
And then Kawit Interchange. That's why interchange goes to
RB means hand bridge means going or enter or exiting the
Parang yung bako sa pagkakas natin.
Ito yan.
Tapos later ko will show naman po yung drone and it was taken nung maganda na po yung panahon so yung mga drone gusto ko kung ano po but we'll show you the drone that was taken on the latest update of the project.
so may room sa
Ito po.
So this is the latest drone for starting from April.
Kasi mamaya, para diretso yung tingin nyo eh. Hindi nyo makikita.
Yung mga area po na hindi natin mapasok dahil ng putik because of the rains. So at least dito makikita niyo po sila lang.
Our drones start from Aguinaldo Highway. This is the Aguinaldo Highway, and we have interchange bridge there ongoing construction, and we have the exit ramp from Cavite side. Only exit is one, Aguinaldo. So the building is already constructed, and we are doing the road works already, and the this bridge, the exit to Plaza. Ongoing the walking works. We have the road
Sila pa yan, di ba? Saltas sila. So, parang define na siya, naka-fence na.
So we have already have row fences, and this is
Two lane.
2x2.
two lane each direction type.
West, east,
And this is the blue video, modern way bridge number 10.
Ano lang din?
This is underpass in and we have water
ano yun.
What will be this?
Saan ang project, sir?
Wala pa
This is
answer.
part of Dasmariñas area as well.
Pabalik.
Actually, the boundary of Dasmariñas and
Jet Street.
Silao, this bridge. So this is part of Silao. This is part of Dasmariñas. So we have the going bridge, waterway bridge, and excavation for the road works. Actually, we have already some preparation in the area and race course. We have overpass bridge here in Kasuyan.
Ano yung higher elevation ng highway? Mataas siya, di ba? Compared to
Normal, if we have overpass bridges,
No. Upgrade yun.
At grade.
Ano ang elevation? Relative to yung natural geography ng lugar. Nakalat ka ng concept ko.
200, pababa sa papunta ng tao. Actually, silang is the highest area. So this is the interchange bridge in Governor's Drive, I-3. So we have already 40 apartment coatings and also we have the road construction already. So we are on this upgrade level preparation.
Anong clearance niya, sir, from Governor's Drive I-3?
No, normally that is around 6 5.2 actually the standard, but we are
Higher.
higher for this 5.2 requirements. We have the tool plaza here in Governor's Drive, already constructed to become a city. The remaining only is the FOE.
Kung kaya kayo 13, yung sa access na
The main ramp is here. If you are coming from Governor's Drive, you enter and exit Governor's Drive in this area. This is Palapala.
depends kasi, it depends on where you are and then of course the traffic. Ang maganda niya, you have a lot of options in terms of the access.
Kalax, this is part of subsection 2. Subject by this that this part is.
Lapit kami.
This is overpass bridge in
Sabay lahat ng bungkalan sa Dasma. Wala kanak sa hindi nakakombis.
Ayun na.
Yeah. Kung hindi pa wala pa siya,
We have-
going by right of way.
We have going right of acquisition in this
Subsection
area.
1.
Subsection 2.
When we say we, that is led by DPWH because in the PPP partnership,
This is part of the subsection 2 of the expressway bridge of the
so
local
yung
road.
nakikiwi lang we as a team.
Yeah, makikita nyo rin po, hindi siya dire-diretso. No? So may mga portion lang, kung ano yung available na right of way na pwede natin mag-construct, ongoing na po yung mga
Yeah.
construction.
That's why you see there are two contractors. Diba? We have the road contractor, then we have the bridges contractor. So we're really trying our best to deliver on time. Yeah, ganyan pa na.
At least inaabak na nila.
Actually, naka-incorporate naman talaga yung typhoon season. Kaya kasi, syempre, we want to hope na hindi masyado. Para mas madami working days.
Construction in this area is 10%.
Oo, imbis na,
This is,
typhoon.
Mayor's Drive.
Talaga naman ang slip naman.
And General Reyes. This is what
Isa sobrang lakas. Di ba yung last part, di ba? Gusto ko ako eh. Napasok.
So So we have
Kung saan hindi sila makapag-boost sa
Tsaka ano, baka
Maralas.
Yes, yes.
Diba?
Sa
Hindi
paper.
yung iba, diba? But at least you see, you see the difficulty. Parang hindi siya imagine na
Malayo nila.
Ay, hindi, ano po yun, PWP lang.
Nakikita niya.
Hindi po yan sa mahaba.
Inedit sa, oo, inedit na.
Yung sa Orlando Highway.
Nagpahinga yung doon, nagpahinga yung doon. Kasi sinabi na lang namin sa wala.
We have Muslim bridge here.
Wala ko siya.
Congregation area for girders. We have
Si Din ba mo?
bridge, expressway bridge.
Hindi.
Hindi si Din.
Ano po siya?
Nasa ibabaw tayo.
Our engineers.
Bumalik siya ulit ng
This is part
Ayan, our
Iwan
road
yung Amaya, natin yung bridge na yung Amaya. So, it's already also part of Calax, what they are doing the Amaya bridge.
At least doon naka-establish na.
Ito yung sa Labaro Road. We have expressway bridge there. Crossing Labaro Road. So, they have already cleared
Nung
the
dadaan siya nung nabahay.
Labaro Road.
Madami yung nabe-benefits naman sa...
This is open canal. We have a waterway bridge for waterway bridge. And we are working for the coating and for some structure activities in the bridge. This is the publication area. This is already part of subsection 1. This is open canal to Kawit. So this is subsection 1. We have already the embankment works for this area. We have interchange bridge here. This is exit and entrance from open canal.
Trumpet dyan, sir, na. Trumpet technique.
Township is
Galing mo ah.
we have underpass bridge.
Paano wala? Ako nga, hindi ko alam eh.
Underpass bridge, the Lawang Road. Yung also this expressway bridge in
Well, there's where we are. Our building is there.
this is expressway bridge.
We are here.
And we have works. We have the clearing activity and also we have already the PCCP in this area.
We are here.
Yeah, we are here. Open mo na, pasok mo na dyan.
Ayun tayo.
Kaway tayo. Kaway.
Kala mo live eh, no? Kakaway. Mamaya mag-drone shot. Kaway tayo.
Ayun, that part
in
mo.
the CTV.
Ayun, dyan po tayo nadaan palabas.
CTV for the
Dito po sa kabilang video.
cemetery in this for the
Ay, pwede na ba ako bakit?
Hindi ko alam.
Nag-explore. Kasi sila ko nawalaan ko.
This is Lawang Bridge. Expressway bridge.
Wala po. Dito tayo.
Wala mo wala. Wala yung mga nakatuloy nito. Kasi kala ko. Diba? So, magiging overpass siya ng service road?
Doon sa Alabang, no?
Doon
Expressway
sa
bridge.
may, Marikara AJ. So, we're gonna go above that.
Above this Alabang Road. This
Above, okay. So, kumbaga service, parang service, local road siya. Diba? Yes. Exciting.
Actually, may mga issue pa tayo sa Republic. Before, we already impacted in this area.
Wala may issue.
Nagkaroon ng issue.
Hindi naman yung mahirap eh.
Yun, wala ko.
Ayan, no? Katulad nun, issue yun. Nag-kwento ko lang. Makwento ko lang. Hindi kasi minsan, meron talaga mga lot owners na sinabi na ng government na no build zone. Matagal na sinabi sa mayor. Di ba? Pero ganyan. Imagine, no? Alam na yung dadaanan. Doon pa na talagang inuna eh. Parang nananadya. Yan. So, may mga ganyan lot owners na sinabihan na sila before, pero they tend to disregard.
Kaya mag-expressway bridge din.
Parang feeling nila hindi matutuloy.
Kung ang squatter hindi mo alis, ang kailangan yun
Ayun
po.
na nga. So, Butch, kumusta naman yung sunod sa, diba, Bacoor? Alam na natin. Oo, diba? Alam na natin bakit ganun.
Gusto niya naman mounted course sa level.
Sabi ko,
We understand.
This is part already
Kaya hapon, ang dami kong financial na lakad namin.
We have Sentinel Road there. We have this is the exit for Kawit Interchange.
Actually, kasi mas gusto ko ang Paranaque Toll Gate. Yung Capitex, yung traffic.
Itong pagdaan ko, wala pa.
This is the last. We have interchange.
Hindi naman kapukod kasi. Papasok ng Bacoor. Yung mga nasunugan, dahil ang gamit nila.
Nandun sa
Kung ano yung nalisan mo na nasa kalsada. Pati mga bumbero.
Kinlos ko nila yung pagpapako.
Pinagalit ko na ako.
Pinalimus mo, may ano doon si
Yes sir, nagkukunik tayo sa Sicily.
Sir, yung sa CC lahat sa elevated na ng
Yes sir.
700.
yeah, high siya. Tapos bababa siyang kawa.
Tapos ang CC itself has its own door.
Wala, sir. Wala. It's just a link between the two.
Your tolls will be the Kawit, which is still under the MCX
This is part already of Sicily.
Yeah, we're constructing now.
They are doing the soil investigation.
Oo, kaya magpasensya ka lang mag-traffic. Kasi what did we do nga, Bart, nung dry run kami. So nag-traffic, so we had to reassess. Stop the dry run and then reassess. Kasi masikip na as it is talaga si Centennial. Pero we have to build the link so that mabawasan, ma-free up talaga. Pansamantalang lang naman. Inconvenience. Bibilisan ni asan si Wilson. Si Wilson naman yun.
Pag mayroon na pong significant milestone naman for Sicily, we will invite you guys again for, kasi we have 3 projects po. C5 lane, ngayon po kasi nasa mga excavation works pa lang yung dalawang segment. Like Kalang, na nasa mga structural phases na po.
Kumbaga, we're talking about savings, I think we can catch up with our timeline, no?
Yes po, malaki naman ang pagbabago dun sa right of way acquisition compared dun sa last year. So,
yan, hindi talaga kami doon.
imagine,
moment stories.
Okay, thank you. Next
Ano
one.
yung
Yeah. Okay.
so that's it, construction update. We can move on.
Ako, diretso na po tayo sa site.